Slav havalam, bxeyratin bu peymanga Shain. Hello Shain friends, welcome back. Havalan, evro de fēri پیتێن ئنگلیزی و دەنگێن وان بین. Let's get started. A is for apple. Apple. A is for ant. Ant. A is for alligator. Alligator. B is for boy. Boy. B is for bird. Bird. B is for bag. Bag. C is for car. Car. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. D is for desk. Desk. D is for duck. Duck. E is for elbow. Elbow. E is for egg. Egg. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for finger. Finger. F is for foot. Foot. F is for fan. Fan. G is for glass. Glass. G is for gorilla. Gorilla. G is for game. Game. H is for hat. Hat. H is for horse. Horse. H is for house. House. I is for ink. Ink. I is for igloo. Igloo. I is for insect. Insect. J is for jam. Jam. J is for juice. Juice. J is for jet. Jet. K is for kitten. Kitten. K is for kite. Kite. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L is for lamb. Lamb. L is for lemon. Lemon. L is for lion. Lion. M is for moon. Moon. M is for man. Man. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nut. Nut. N is for notebook. Notebook. N is for nest. Nest. O is for octopus. Octopus. O is for omelet. Omelet. O is for ostrich. Ostrich. P is for peach. Peach. P is for pencil. Pencil. P is for picture. Picture. Q is for quiet. Quiet. Q is for quilt. Quilt. Q is for question. Question. R is for rock. Rock. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. R is for radio. Radio. S is for sandwich. Sandwich. S is for seesaw. Seesaw. S is for sun. Sun. T is for table. Table. T is for tree. Tree. T is for TV. TV. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. U is for up. Up. U is for under. Under. V is for volcano. Volcano. V is for vest. Vest. V is for van. Van. W is for water. Water. W is for watch. Watch. W is for window. Window. X is for X-ray. X-ray. X is for box. Box. X is for box. Box. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Y is for yarn. Yarn. Y is for yogurt. Yogurt. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Z is for zipper. Zipper. Z is for zero. Zero. Thanks for watching. سپاس بو بر خدا نوه. جبیر نکن لایکن شیرکن و سبسکرایب کن. Bye.